Andrew with Painless here. Next to me right here is our 66 to 77 Bronco direct fit harness. One great feature with this harness is our completely sealed 28 circuit fuse block. On top of that, we give you a precision molded glove box to replace that old factory cardboard one that usually has a lot of issues, and this fuse block mounts cleanly inside of it, giving you easy access to your fuses. This harness will support all factory options, and on top of that we give you 8 accessory circuits. We give you 4 constant power, 4 ignition switched. As well as factory options, it's also super easy to adapt this harness to aftermarket gauges, aftermarket air condition, anything else you may want to do to your early Bronco. Another great feature with this harness is that it utilizes all high-grade TXL wire, and all that wiring follows Ford color code, so it makes it really easy to cross-reference any factory schematics if you ever need. Another great thing with it is we print and label all the wiring directly on it, so you know exactly where it's coming from, where it's going, and it makes it really easy to reference and install. This Bronco harness is going to come with a 6-gauge charge wire and a 150 amp MIDI fuse, so it'll keep up with all the high amperage alternators people are using. We offer just the harness, or you can also get it with an included switch kit that's going to include an ignition switch, headlight switch, dimmer switch, and wiper switch. For more information on this harness and any other offerings that we have, just visit our website at painlessperformance.com or give our tech guys a ring at 1-800-423-9696.